Assessment is designed to gain a better understanding of student knowledge of the standard. The next step is to provide further instruction and clarification to those who have not yet reached concept attainment. Several intervention activities are included to utilize with those students who haven't quite mastered the unit focus standard. These activities are more interactive and hands-on to build student understanding. In this unit, there is a menu of 3 intervention activities followed by a formative assessment. As an instructor, you can decide which activities would best meet the needs of your students. If you need resources to complete these activities, then make sure to check out the free downloadable graphic organizers found on our support site at support.mentoringminds.com.